Hello friends, welcome to my channel How To. In this video, I am going to explain how to install Node.js on Windows. So let's start. So first of all, open your command prompt and run your command prompt as administrator mode. Now expand the window. Now we are going to install Node.js using Winget package manager. So Winget is a package manager which is already installed or which comes with Windows. So in order to check whether Winget is installed or not on your Windows system, just type a command winget and press enter. And here you can see the Winget is already installed on my Windows machine. We want to install Node.js on Windows. So for that purpose, type a command winget search and I am typing node.js. So this command will search Node.js package using Winget. And here you can see the different types of Node.js version available. Now copy the ID of the Node.js version that you want to install. So in my case, I want to install this version, which is latest one, which is 23.11.0. Now copy the ID. Now type a command winget install and paste the ID that we have copied. Now press enter. Now Winget will automatically download the .msi or exe file and it will automatically install Node.js on the Windows system. And over you can see they have successfully downloaded the Node.js version, which is a .msi file, and here you can see the installer. Now wait for some time. And here you can see the message successfully installed. So to verify the installation of Node.js on your Windows system, type a command node space -v, and here you can see the version 23.11.0 is installed. Now type another command npm -v, and here you can see 10.9.2. So using this command, we have already verified that Node.js is successfully installed on Windows system. So in this way, we can install Node.js on Windows using Winget. So that's all. Thanks for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel How To. Thanks a lot.